Every day, we build things designed to move the future forward. For years, these batteries have been part of countless tests, journeys, and miles. Some of them crossing over 1 lakh kilometers, carrying energy through every challenge. And even after the energy within the cells complete its journey, the shell still has a new life waiting. So this World Environment Day, we decided to give them a new purpose. Because some things don't really die, they bloom. What once stored energy now grows life. A small change for the plant, a meaningful step for the future. Because progress shouldn't only move faster, it should grow better too. And maybe the most beautiful part of giving something a second life is watching it bring life and joy to someone else. Because the future we build should feel greener, kinder, and more alive.